welcome back. Ew, I just sounded mad fake. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this dramatic AF eye look. You know, it is so freaking bomb. Like, this is literally my favorite look so far. I am using the Daisy Marquez palette today. This palette is literally bomb. The pigmentation is bomb. The formula is creamy, buttery, which is freaking awesome. So I'm very proud of her. Congrats, Daisy Marquez, for launching this palette with BH Cosmetics. I am extremely proud of you. I love watching your videos. So if you guys are interested in how I achieved this beautiful bomb look using Daisy Marquez palette with BH Cosmetics, then please keep on watching. So I didn't expect my eye look to be this dramatic, but I got a little crazy because I am using the Daisy Marquez palette by BH Cosmetics. Well, she did a collab with BH Cosmetics. What's cool about this palette is that you can put the mirror like a little vanity, which is so freaking cool. If you guys are traveling, you could just take this palette and there you go. I started off with using a BH Cosmetics 13 brush. All right, so the first shade I'm gonna go in is Passion Fruit. I'm going to basically blend this into my crease. I'm not gonna blend yet. I'm going to pat this into my crease. Once it looks like this, do not get spooked because I promise you it'll get better later on. So the next shade I'm going to be using is this one right here. It is called Karma. I'm just going to pat this right on top. And then I'm gonna take my R39 and start to pat that brush. And I'm also going to be basically blending it because right now it looks extremely harsh. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Passion Fruit and I'm going to deepen it up a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna use the Morphe 506 blending brush. Well, it's like a pointed blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Matter. I'm gonna start building up the smokiness. I'm using patting motions just to build up the black, and then I'm gonna start blending it out once, you know, I feel really satisfied. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. It is a eyeshadow base, so the color I'm using is called Create. I'm going to be using the Sigma Angled E65 brush. I'm going to go back in with the small blending brush just to pretty much blend out this area right here. For loose pigment today, I'm using the Kathleen Lights ColourPop loose pigment. Sorry, I'm gonna move you guys a little bit this way because I felt like I was like all the way over here. And this is in the shade The Lion. This pigment is so freaking pretty, okay? It is gorgeous. It's definitely the most prettiest gold I've ever owned. I'm gonna be applying this literally on the base where I pretty much created the crease. And I'm going to be using the Morphe M421 brush to apply it. I'm gonna use the shade Flower, and I'm gonna apply this like right on top Karma, which is the shade that I have closest to my brow. For eyeliner today, I'm using the ColourPop liner, liquid liner in Numero Uno. Move on to foundation, and for foundation today, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is in the shade NC35. With this foundation, I don't ever use primer. I like to use my MAC Fix Plus. I like to use this as a primer. For concealer today, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium, of course. I'm going to be setting my under eyes using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So pretty much what I'm going to be doing is obviously dusting off my powder because I've had it on for about 3 to 5 minutes, and I think that's good enough. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade NC42. After using my translucent powder, I just feel like I lose some color. I'm gonna go in with the shade Flower, which is the yellow shade. And I'm going to start applying this in the inner corner. Benefits Hoola Bronzer and a Morphe M527. I'm going to be using this blush from Lottie London. This is their Blush Crush in Drake. I think it might be a little too light for my skin. I'm gonna actually try the shade Zac instead. Oh yeah, much better. Okay. I'm gonna use the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. I feel like it's a classic. Moving on to lips, I'm actually gonna use the Lottie London Slay All Day Lip Kit in Work It. Oh, this is a really nice color. Bust Down Tatiana. I low-key hate that song. I don't know why I'm singing it right now. So yeah, guys, this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is very dramatic. It is for the girls who, you know, want to look bad at the club, you know. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this and enjoyed this video and this tutorial, please let me know down below in the comments. I know I keep asking you guys every video, what do you guys want to see? And I feel like you guys don't tell me what you guys want to see. Like, please let me know what you guys want to see. I really, really want to know. Like, it doesn't have to be makeup videos neither. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Salgo a gastarlo unos poco. Música